In this video, we are going to discuss about, is it possible to delete the default index in Splunk? Okay, the answer is no, you cannot delete the built-in system indexes. But why? Because Splunk, when it is coming, the Splunk comes with the default indexes, and due to using these default indexes, Splunk is measuring a lot of performance things, and it is also helping us to troubleshoot many things. So that's why they decided like you should not delete the index. But technically, yeah, you can go to the backend and you can delete the indexes, that kind of. But it is all connected to a different stanzas. Like you need to, but there is no reason to delete the default indexes. If you delete it, you will lose, you will become blind, you don't know what is happening, and there will be lot of logs getting printed, you will lose all your data, I mean internal data. So it is good to keep your default index. But again, if you have any concern, like it is default indexes are taking too much space in your storage, then the solution is you can disable the data writing to certain indexes. Like you can disable, see, end of the day, this Splunk is also using internal index, and it is using the monitor stanza to monitor the log files, right? So you can disable the monitoring stanza, or you can limit the retention policy. Let's say for internal index there is 30 days retention policy, you can reduce it up to 7 days. Okay, so something like that, you can do these two functionalities, these two options, without instead of deleting the default indexes. Like how do you do that, how do you modify the retention policy? Like that is something like in the UI, you can go to, let's say for audit index here, you can go to edit, and you see maximum size of entire index, here it is, I think 500 GB, right? You can reduce it here, or you can reduce the like maximum size of hot bucket, warm bucket, and if you want to add a frozen path, you can add it here. Or if you want to reduce the tsidx file, you can reduce it here as well. Like you can click on enable reduction, and it will ask up to days you need to reduce the tsidx. Okay, you can do like this. So you can optimize the internal index rather than deleting it. Okay, so don't delete it. If you delete it, as we said, like you will lose the visibility, the internal logs will not be visible. So it is bad to delete it. Instead of that, you can reduce the retention policy, and you can stop the data being written.